next question, since there is the halacha that a captured baby, is not totally culpable for not keeping Torah and mitzvahs because he grew up without knowledge of the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a similar idea for goyim who grew up far from Torah but have exemplary character traits, yet were part of a false religion? In other words, to what extent in Shamayim is it taken into account that they were simply following the religion they were born into?
Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah. I mean, if they were, so some people, for example, again in the place where I work, so I knew like it's many people were everybody were very close together, and I worked with these non-Jews. So this first of all, I knew many Chinese, like very nice, like hardworking people. It's unbelievable. So like it's amazing. Other people are like Christians, right? So Christians, like maybe the word, I'm not sure the practice. Not I never spoke about, but very like with some of them, like the word integrity and this person. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable, right? So they have all of the positive character traits. I'm not sure if they follow Yoshka, not or these Chinese follow, but I don't know that. But exceptional people, absolutely. So of course they're born to that culture, but very good like interpersonal relationships and honesty in the work, like integrity. It's unbelievable, yeah. So I think these people are going to go if they're going to go into a good place. Absolutely.
Thank you, Abba.
You're welcome.